We're here at Cars Rustin and Chesley Park, and we've got a great video here for you. 2009 Silverado came in, it was making a creaking noise, and the customer actually had it towed in. Very good thing they had it towed in. We're gonna take a look at this. This is the right passenger front wheel, and we've got your CV axle right here. Now this should have no movement. We'll show you the other side where no movement is. And you can see that axle actually flexing right there, in and out, and that means that wheel bearing is actually ready to let go. Now when a wheel bearing lets go, this wheel actually detaches from the vehicle, so you're driving and all of a sudden the wheel is not attached. So definitely a major safety issue. It's a good thing this was towed in. So we got that bearing removed, and you can see here this should not move at all, and you can see that bearing is actually popping in and out right here. That should not move. We got major play in that bearing. So this was ready to fall apart, and that would let the tire off of the vehicle, be a major safety issue. So she's fixed. We got the new bearing in there. See, we'll check out the axle shaft again here, and you can see no movement on that axle shaft right there. So definitely a good thing they had this towed. Any safety concerns or questions, you got loud noises, make sure you get this checked out. When in doubt, have it towed. Definitely better to be safe than sorry. Thanks for tuning in over here at Cars Rustin and Chesley Park.